Okay, so I just thought I'd make a quick video here just to show you how to take the keyboard out of this Fujitsu Lifebook A512. To get the keyboard out, you need to remove a couple of screws on the back. Now, this machine is for scrapping, so that's why these other covers are off and just taking various parts of it. But I thought it might be good to show for somebody who is going to try and replace a keyboard in one of these machines how it's done. Okay, so you need to remove a couple of screws. The one here, the one here, the one here, and the one here. There are also 3 star head type screws here which need to come out. I'm going to show you what one of them looks like. So this is the star head screw in question, and I'll try to show you a little close-up photograph of that. Okay, so what I generally do when it's turned back over the other direction is at the very top of the keyboard you'll notice little sort of on the F1 key you'll see it, between the F6 and the F7 key you'll see it, between the F10 and the F11 key, sort of a flat area. So if you just basically put a screwdriver under there and gently give it a prise, you should hear a little bang, a little pop. You can then pull up that whole piece all the way off like so. There's no cable attached to it, which is nice. The keyboard is then free. The keyboard can be lifted out. Remember to then remove the ribbon cable out of here. The new one you bring in, make sure you attach the ribbon cable first, then it goes into the front first, lay it down, and then put the cover back on, which is this cover, the right way around of course. Push, 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 and then put the screws in back at the back again, and that's it. It's fairly straightforward. Some laptops are easier than others, but just thought since I was scrapping this machine, it might be worth us to show you how it's done on this particular model. I want to get the CD-ROM drive out of this machine. Fairly simple. One screw here, and then pull the CD-ROM drive out. That's it. One screw, out comes that. The hard drive is 2 screws here, and then lift up. The memory is a couple of screws here, as pointed out, and the memory then is underneath here. So once that's again done, it's a simple thing of lifting that out of the way. Memory goes in here. So that's basically it. So thanks for watching this short video, and goodbye.